electromagnets. This crane will pick the car and lift it up. Click on the switch to drop the car. How did the crane pick the car and drop it too? The crane has a magnet that runs on electricity. Such magnets are called electromagnets. An electromagnet can be defined as a soft iron core that is magnetized by passing a current through a coil of wire wound on the core. When the current flows through the iron core, it behaves like a magnet, and when the current is turned off, it stops behaving like a magnet. Thus, the crane is able to pick and drop a car. Let us now study more about electromagnets. First step is to gather the materials. You will need a fairly long iron nail, enameled copper wire, switch or key, pins, and a battery. Wrap the wire tightly and closely around the nail. Wind the wire in one direction only. Connect the bare ends of the wire to the battery and the switch as shown here. Place some pins in a box just below the nail. Observe that the pins are not attracted by the nail. Switch on the key. What happens? The pins readily jump towards the nail. Now switch off the circuit. The pins fall into the box. When electric current flows through a metal object, the metal object acquires magnetic properties. The metal object loses its magnetic properties when the current ceases to flow through it. An easy way to pick up the paper clips strewn on the carpet is to use a magnet. Given here are a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. Which would be the ideal one? Click on the appropriate magnet. Yes, good choice. If one uses electromagnet, the paper clips can be collected by switching off the current flow. But one has to single out the paper clips off the permanent magnet. Explore and learn more about electromagnets. Take a test. Read the question and click on the appropriate option. Strength of an electromagnet increases with increase in number of turns. Strength of an electromagnet increases with increase in current. Strength of an electromagnet increases when the wire is wrapped tightly on an iron core. Strength of an electromagnet increases with increase in thickness of the core. Only magnetic substances make electromagnets.